Friends, now I am going to show I got Harry Kane, an England player and England captain in Dream League scorer 21. Please watch and give a like and subscribe. We are having money and we have got events and we are having Mbappe and we are having enough money and we are having event that 820 diamonds we can get a single player. The best players are Sancho, Mbappe and Benzema. We can go back and now we can check our players. Oh, there we got Messi as a red card. Now we can go back. Now we are having enough money. Now we can purchase Harry Kane. So we bring this Harry Kane got to our team.
His team have got their man. Can he help them to success?
Oh, there is a new player. See, there is Harry Kane. And thank you friends for watching this video. And give a like. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe and bell icon, please, to see more videos than this very best videos.